friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn how to install .NET MAUI and how to create a project in .NET MAUI through Visual Studio 22. So only search Visual Studio 22 and go to the first link that shows in the Google search. There will be three options in download: community, professional, enterprise. If you have license for these two, then install this, otherwise install the community version. Community version is free, you can download it. After downloading, install that setup in your system, and after installation you have to open a Visual Studio installer. It will show the list of Visual Studio installed in your system. So we will modify the Visual Studio 22 and install .NET More. Uh, so click on the modify button and then it will open. It will take some time, but it will open, and in the desktop and mobile section you will find .NET multi-platform app UI development. So install this, check on this and click install while downloading. There are other also option, download or then install, but whatever you prefer, you can go and click on it. So it will install a .NET MAUI in your system. uh, uh, in my machine it is already installed, so I'm not installing it, but you can go through this way to install the project. Now we will open a Visual Studio 22 here, and we will create a first project. So click on create new project. It will load the template. So .NET MAUI. Then next, give the project name and location, and then click create. It will create a project for of a .NET MAUI. So by default project is there, their main page is there, which have a one page design, which contain some design like image, two level and one button. Okay, and there here as you see that in Xamarin there is three project, but in .NET More there is only one project, and all the platforms materials will be added in the folder wise. So in platform you can see the resource which will contain images and other things. There is Android manifest file, main activity. It is iOS file, it will contain iOS related files and material. Same in the another folder. Okay, in resource you can add a app icon, fonts, images and all the other things. Your splash screen will be added. So this is the page given by the .NET Now by default. Click on my window machine. If developer mode is not on, it will show a dialog box. In dialog box there will be a written there will be some words in blue letters. So click on blue font letter and open the developer mode. I think you can also go through here, developer. I don't know font. Yeah, so in the system search developer setting. Okay, and developer setting, developer mode should be on to run a this project in window machines. Okay, otherwise there are options for Android and iOS, you can run in that, but for window machine you have to uh, uh, on the developer mode. Okay, now this will run the project. It is taking some time to run the project. Yeah, now it is open the first page of the project. This is the main page. It has image, two labels and one button. Okay, and here is some options. We will see these two later. We will see that uh, rest. So go to live visual stream. Means when you click, it will show a live visual stream. Means first it will go to app will open app shell, through app shell content, and the main page has a scroll view, vertical stack layout, image label and counter button. Okay, and when you click, it will change the text here. So when we go to the main page code, it will changing the text here, but you see that uh, here is semantic screen reader, which will change the uh, main part will be there. So we will learn in a later video what is this. Okay, now this is a show in XAML live preview. So when you click on it, it will show uh, uh, controls in the XAML page. So whatever you hover it, it will go through the it will show what is in the XAML, which XAML is this. Okay, so in .NET MAUI there are many features are added which will be very helpful for the fast development and the easy learning. Okay, so that's it for now. If you understand this, please like the video and subscribe my channel, and please share your feedback in your comment section. Thank you.